Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform a factory reset on Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this you'll need to open the settings, right here find the reset, go for find settings and write it like that. Here's a reset this PC, enter it, and now choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Make sure to click on Reset PC, and now you can choose the different options. So you can keep all your files and remove apps and settings, but as I mentioned, it will keep your files. You can also remove everything, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. So I will choose that option. Now in the meantime, make sure to grab some charger and plug in your device to the charger, as it would be very bad if it ran out of power in that reset mode. So here I actually have a charger, and I will plug it in right here. Now we'll select which reinstall of Windows we'll use, and that's a cloud download or local reinstall. Let's go with local reinstall and go to the next. Here click on reset, and now we just need to wait, and the device will restart after that immediately. So now the PC will restart, and I will talk to you after all the reset is complete. And actually before that, here's a progress of reset. It takes about an hour or so for that reset to happen, and you can do some idle stuff in the meantime, but I'm gonna, as I said, talk to you after that, so see you in a bit. Okay, so right now the reinstallation of our Windows have happened, and now we can begin the setup. And the first thing is to pick the language. You can find the accessibility settings right here. There's also some sound settings for this device if something is too loud. So now I'm gonna pick this first language, United States, English. Now the region, which is Poland, so let's try to find it somewhere. It's right here, click yes. And a keyboard layout or input method, and I will go with United Kingdom, yes. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can do it by pressing on add layout. I'm gonna skip it. Here we can connect to the Wi-Fi network, and we should, because there's no other option. You can use 5G as well as 2.4 bands, and that's fine. Let's go with 5G, it will be much faster. We're connected and we can begin. Here you can name your device, and I will call it like that. Hit the enter. That's not the last thing, but it's required to sign in for your Microsoft account, and we're gonna need to do it now. So I'm gonna do it off the screen. Right after you sign in, you can view your profile like this, and I'm gonna go with next. We don't want to use the face recognition, but we need to create a pin. So let's create the pin code for this device. It needs to be somehow strong, so 1, 2, 3, 4 won't go, and I'm using this one. So let's move on. Let's use the location. Just accept through or read through all of the information right here. And last is to customize your experience by picking a preset for your device for entertainment, gaming, school, creativity, business, or family. You can also skip that process, and I will just go with gaming in this case. And here we can scan QR code to get the apps from our Android, and I'm gonna skip that. Backup files with OneDrive, and let's only save files on this PC, as I don't want to back up anything. Let's decline this and decline that one as well. So right now this device is ready and you can start using it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.